My name is Kyle Snay. I am a CRM administrator at Minnesota State University, Mankato. Yeah, so our migration from our Oracle CRM to our Salesforce, where we were using Pardot for email communications, that was really triggered by increased licensing costs. So once we decided to make the switch from Oracle into Salesforce, we had a pretty short turnaround time because we had to be off one platform and onto another. One thing that really saved us a lot of time is we knew that Salesforce had an email design interface because it would take care of that. We just didn't know what it looked like. We were also kind of wondering, well, what are we going to do with Beefree? Do we need to get rid of Beefree because we can do it all in Salesforce? And we quickly realized that Beefree was a much more powerful tool from designing emails, but it was a much easier tool as well. And so we made the decision that we'll just keep using Beefree. This transition was made easier because with having the emails designed in Beefree, we could quickly grab the HTML and in less than 10 seconds, we would have it into our Salesforce CRM. It wasn't just easier, we had more options. We had merge tags that traditionally existed only in the CRM, but we could take those merge tags like first name or cohort or even the unsubscribe links. We could put those into Beefree. So it's almost like Beefree became the source document for those email designs. If that's already taken place in Beefree, in the email itself, we don't have to worry about missing that as a CRM administrator. It shortened our implementation time, but then we realized we're going to save a lot of money because we don't need our users who were in Beefree moving them into Salesforce and taking up user accounts in Salesforce, which would get pretty expensive. We could keep them in Beefree, say, hey, you design your emails here. Once you're done with that, give them to us and we'll send them out through the Salesforce CRM. And this past fiscal year, we ended up sending out emails that were designed in Beefree to over 280 lists to a combined, 2.3 million contacts. So that's pretty impressive.